Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing simplifying expressions. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to multiply 8b by 6v. So how we would multiply these two terms in this case is we do the numbers first. So I'm going to do 8 multiplied by 6, which is going to give us 48. I then multiply b by v. b times v is just bv. So we have times bv. And now when you're multiplying numbers with variables, you can simplify them just by simply writing the number and the variables beside it. So no need for the multiplication symbol. And if we check our answer, there it is. Something else I might add is that if you have different variables, it's good practice to write them in alphabetical order. Now we'll do a 2-star example. Here we have 5i brackets 5b. So what's happening here between the 5i on the outside of the brackets and the 5b on the inside is multiplication. In maths, whenever you see a term or an expression and then another term or an expression covered in brackets, what's happening between the term outside and the inside is multiplication. So we have 5i multiplied by 5b. 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25. I multiplied by b is ib. So our final answer is 25ib. But if we were to write this out in alphabetical order, it would be 25bi. Again, this isn't really necessary, but it's good practice. And if we check our answer, there it is, 25ib. Now we'll do a 3-star example. We have 5x squared multiplied by 8x squared. So 5 multiplied by 8 is going to be 40. And then we have x squared multiplied by x squared. So x squared multiplied by x squared. If you are multiplying variables that have the same base, so in this case the x and the x, you simply add their powers to simplify. So it's going to be x to the power of 4. So x squared multiplied by x squared is x to the power of 4. And we can simply take this x to the power of 4 and write it next to the 40. So our final answer should be 40x to the power of 4. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do one more 3-star example. Here we're being asked to do 49u to the power of 4 divided by 7u. So we'll divide the numbers first. 49 divided by 7 is going to give us 7. And u to the power of 4 divided by u, so u to the power of 4 divided by u. Now u on its own actually has a power of 1 that we don't actually write. But when you're dividing the same base values, so u and u, you subtract their powers left to right. So 4 minus 1 is 3. This is u to the power of 3. So u to the power of 4 divided by u is u to the power of 3. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on simplifying expressions.